Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to get your dogs to eat some vegetables. I know a lot of people have problems having their dogs eat vegetables, so we just wanted to show how we get our dogs to eat vegetables, and maybe you can try this at home as well. First we're going to cut the carrots, cabbage, and white radish into small little pieces like this. We're preparing everything for a soup type of base, and then you're definitely going to want to add some kind of meat flavor, so we're using chicken breast and cut it into little cubes as well. All right, to make the soup, we're gonna just go ahead and pour all the vegetables in along with the chicken. Next, put some water in, fill it up. You don't wanna add salt or any kind of flavoring when you're feeding your dogs because too much sodium can be bad. All right, once it starts boiling, this is when we add our little secret. It's duck liver. Our dogs love duck liver. But if you don't have duck liver, it's fine to use just canned dog food. Anything you have in the fridge that's healthy for dogs, that gives it a little bit more flavor, is fine. The whole point is just to make it more enticing for them. So we're gonna go ahead and cook it for 20 minutes. Make sure that it's really nice and soft. And then afterwards, you're just gonna pour it on top of the kibbles that you normally give your dog. So our bigger dog is about 30 pounds, and this is how much we're giving him. And then for the smaller, our puppy, we're gonna just put a little bit of flavor on top. Their digestive system isn't as developed yet, so you don't wanna put too much. And that's it, guys. Pretty simple. As you can see, our dog loves it. It's eating the vegetables first before the kibbles. But I mean, maybe that's not a surprise. And same thing with the puppy. The puppy really loves this mixture that we made of vegetables, duck liver, and chicken breast. So go ahead and try this at home and let us know what you think. Let us know if it works for you. If this video has helped, please give it a like or comment below. It always helps us out with the algorithm, or whatever you want to call it, you know. But thank you for watching, and we appreciate it.